Yeah, we're here at the Hilton Lagoon. Got that guy cleaning the sand. I'm doing something to the sand, making it nice, I guess, for all the tourists. That's wild. Okay, so you're probably wondering why I'm out here this early in the morning. Yeah, you're probably not wondering, but we're here at the Hilton Hawaiian Village Lagoon, and we're about to do a photo shoot. No, not me. My friend's about to do a. I'm gonna do a BTS photo shoot. He's gonna do the photo shoot. So stay tuned for that. We're just waiting on them right now. But yeah, we out here in Honolulu, downtown. Ooh, here's our car that my bro is shooting. Hey there! Alright, we got some ground footage. Now we're about to take up. Sorry, the Tesla truck got me confused. But we've got some ground footage. Now we're about to take up to the sky. Alright guys, we're done with our first stop. Now we're about to head to Sandy Beach. I hope you guys are enjoying the video so far. Yeah, just waiting on them to head out, and then we're gonna Sandy. Ooh, there's Cocoa Head, guys. I got a drone video up on YouTube, so if you want, check out that drone video of Cocoa Head. It's pretty sick. Yeah. Everybody's photoing. Is that a word? Out here at our second spot for the day, and we're done. But of course, gotta give me some drone shots, so stay tuned. we're done with the photo shoot. Got some good drone footage. Hopefully I got some good video and some photos. So that was good fun though. Can't wait to do it again. Shoots. I'm super hungry, but first thing we're gonna do is gonna get some coffee. Oh my god, look at this Cybertruck. I'll bring back. We're gonna grab some coffee. Let's go. Crazy over here, man. Up in Hawaii, Kai. It's all the rich people. But to get my Starbucks fix, it's time for head home. Edit this footage and photos. Ooh, yes sir. Pretty fun day today. Behind the scene photo shoot with, hang on. I shouldn't face that way, I should face this way. Here we go. Alright guys, it's a pretty fun photo shoot, behind the scene photo shoot today. I gotta go home already, edit those videos, edit this video actually, and yeah, post it up, man. That was pretty good time with MJ Motorsports and Easy Optics. So link is gonna be in the description below. Check them out, their Instagram, their IG, Easy Optics and MJ Motorsports. But until the next shoot, guys. Aloha. Look at that dummy. Around the red light.
Different guy wrapped up in your sheets. Come on.
Wow.